Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy RBX Kicks back again with another rep review for you guys. In this video, I have the Jordan 4 Taupe HAZE sent by highfoot.ru. If you guys are interested in purchasing these, I'll have all the information up on the screen here and down below in the description. But before that, make sure to like and subscribe so I can make more content like this in the future. Anyways, let's get started with this review. The whole box is a taupe haze color with a metallic paint splattered, as you guys can see on the top of the cover. It's all around the shoe box, as you can see, and on the bottom of the shoe has a red Jumpman and some more text, Nike. And then finally the size tag, Air Jordan 4 Retro Taupe HAZE, size 11. On the inside of the shoe for you guys, it does have a paint splattered wrapping paper, and the inside of the box is all red, which is pretty sick. And it also comes with the shoes itself. So this is the Jordan 4 Taupe HAZE. I'm not gonna lie, these are really nice in hand, and these are probably my favorite Jordan 4s so far that I've gotten. I just love the brown and the red accents, as you can see all over. The red Jumpman, the red on the bottom, and more red Jumpman, as you can see. But first things first, let's start looking at the stitching. So the stitching is very consistent. As you can see, there is 3 materials in the shoe: a cracked leather, a suede, and then just a normal whatever plastic rubber. Stitching is still pretty consistent all throughout this side of the shoe. And the toe box is a suede, and it's really buttery, as you guys can see from this video. And the toe box, cracked leather, looks really good here also. Stitching is really good here. And let's do a toe box test while we're at it. And it pops up really fast, as you guys can see. The netting on the toe also moves and is sloped down correctly, which is good. Following to the other side of the shoe, stitching is still really good on this side. As you can see, netting slopes down and moves as well. The wing is a good sturdy plastic, and as you can see, there are 6 holes on this one. Looking at the air unit, you can tell that there's air in it. Looking at the side of the shoe, you can see that the paint strokes one way, which is also a good indication. Suede is really buttery all throughout. And at the back of the shoe, let's see, it's rounded. That's a good indication as well. And on the back of the shoe, back tab does flick up really fast, and the spacing on the tabs look really good and proportionate. The Jumpman has his 4 fingers and the 2 shoelaces, and the spacing between the stitching is pretty perfect. And I forgot to mention, on this shoe, the wing is also very high quality, and this part has 6 holes as well. Eyelet has 6 holes as well, as you can see. Same as this side, 6 holes right there. Finally, looking at the tongue, you can see Jordan looks pretty good here. He has his 4 fingers and the 2 laces. Here is the inside of the tongue. Air Jordan stitching looks really good here as well. And here is the size tag. There you go. Let's focus now. And finally, on the bottom of the shoe, the red Jumpman that protrudes very so slightly is there. And the stars do come up to the right position and does go all around the shoe. So this is the left pair of the Taupe HAZE. I'll be going over briefly about all the details along with this shoe, like we did with the right pair of the shoe. So let's get started. So the stitching is pretty good on this pair as well. It has the 3 materials, as you can see: the cracked leather, the suede, and then just the normal rubber plastic. As you can see, netting slopes down and moves as well. The wing is very high quality and is very sturdy, and it also has 6 holes on the side as well. Same with this eyelet, has 6 holes and very high quality. Toe box pops up really fast, as you can see. Stitching continues to be really high quality and flawless. Falling to the other side of the panel, has a little eyelet, 6 holes, as you can see. Netting slopes down and moves as well. This side of the wing Also very high quality and sturdy. And then it also has 6 holes there as well. The paint strokes on this side go one way, as you can see. Same with this side, paint strokes go one way. And the air unit does have air in it as well. Back tab, or you can see the rounding on this pair as well. It's rounded. Back tab now. Back tab does come up really fast, as you can see. Jumpman has his 4 fingers and the 2 laces, and the spacing and stitching is pretty good all throughout the back. Finally, the tabs on this back tab look pretty spaced out evenly. The Jumpman on the tongue has his 4 fingers and 2 laces, as you can see, and the stitching looks pretty pristine here as well. And the inside, Air Jordan, stitching looks good. And here's the size tag, looks really good here as well. Finally, on the bottom of the shoe, sorry for it being dirty, it does have the red Jumpman and it slightly protrudes out, as you can see. And then it also has all the stars and they go up to the perfect height as well. So I'll have a little on foot review for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy.